Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put page border in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Then select the position and go to the insert menu. Go to the drawing option and click new. Then go your shape option, then insert a rectangle. Then go to the fill color and click transparent. Then go to the border white. Now increase this border white. You can add a dash border, dotted border, anything. Now I'm change the border color. Then click save and close. Then click behind text. Now I am resize and edit. You can see I am fixed the page border. Then go to the move text with. Now click fix position on page. Here you can see put page border in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.